Alright, updated some items here in the toolbox. I don't know how much time I want to devote to this project, but figured I'd do some more time at. Anyways, kind of basically reviewing some of the basic concepts. First, running this program, I found that sometimes you need to run it under administrative mode because it seems to need to create some registry keys in which I store some values. Those keys can't be created just running it, so unfortunately it sometimes has to be run the first time in administrative mode. It seems to run after that without any difficulty in regular mode. And this is once again the directory to the Oversight directory. I did add this to kind of test whether if you do have write and read access to it. And that's just to double check. If that doesn't work, then obviously nothing else will work. I continue with the three databases, the index database, people database, and plot database. Down the line I might incorporate it into one function, but for right now I split them up. Load index is obviously the most important one. That one has information on the various movies. People, if you want to have information about people in the movie, such as artwork or names, you obviously would need to load that. And plot, obviously self-explanatory, you do need to load that. Once again, the artwork is right here, drag and drop. Initially I found that if there was artwork already on the NMT, the picture box locked it up, so I had to do some other things to kind of unlock the picture so it could be updated from within the toolbox. This continues to have the same thing, and once again artwork can be updated. These watch, genre, actors, date, and category at this point are not updatable. Certainly in the future could be, and that's the reason for them. The advanced mode is the information that was there previously. Just kind of gives me an idea as to what's in the database. Search obviously is explanatory, but the addition that I did was the ability to save the plots. I've not done anything with the people or the index database. People database is pretty straightforward. The index database obviously is fairly complicated, as you can see. And you can update the plots for TV shows. Let's say I've got Tosh in here just for example. Once again, this is season 4. Particular artwork for that. I've got 2 episodes in there. So let's say there we go. Category. So it's season 4, episode 2, and some information about it. I did some testing with it, so I did add this test to it. Let me just delete it. I did add update buttons. I didn't want things to be updated without you being completely committed to the update, so you have to hit update afterwards. And now, let me go to the next Tosh episode, season 4, episode 3, and back to season 2. As you can see, the test has been removed for that particular explanation of that episode. And this is just information in particular to the season. Now to save the plot. Pretty straightforward. Save plot, tells you it's saved. Once again, none of this information in this area can be edited at this point, so please be aware of that. Do not think that this information is in any way saved, because that is saved in an index database, which I do not alter at this point. I also ordered or added restore, concerned that I direct people's hard work, and I didn't want to be responsible for it. I still need to forewarn people that this is extreme alpha mode. This gives you some previous databases. They have this particular plots. As you can see, plot today's date 12. So that was the last one that I updated, and just hitting restore will restore it to the NMT. And if let's see, as you can see, I restored the old one. The test came back because that was on the old plot, and this way there's some comfort. Otherwise, dates, I'm not sure what they mean, but down the line I'm sure they mean something. Downloaded index files. Actors, once again I've got the actors here. If you highlight that, then it'll highlight the actor down here, and this way you could easily edit it. to one of these. Thanks. So it will highlight it, and then you can edit the artwork. This is this particular code. The way the NMT stores actors is by their particular index, and it's presently lots of connections there. Genre is once again not editable. Same thing with watch down the line. Certainly that's feasible. Thanks for watching.